welcome to Uma's Kitchen. A special pickle, sweet lemon pickle, is our recipe for today. This is a special pickle because it goes with many of the foods that are eaten during fast or a vrat, like sabudana khichdi or tapioca khichdi or sabudana thalipit, vrat ke chawal or samak ke chawal ki khichdi and many other. It's a very easy recipe and the ingredients that you need are just everyday ingredients like salt, sugar and red chili powder and of course lemon. So I'm not going to display all the ingredients here. Instead, I will just share the list of all the ingredients needed to make this sweet lemon pickle. So here is the list. First, let us get the lemons. I have cut them into small pieces. You can make them big or small as you like. Now in the first step, I am going to divide all these pieces into 5 roughly equal parts. And now I am going to measure 1 part of this. It is important to note here that the quantity of salt that we are going to use is 1/5 of all the lemon pieces, and that's why we have divided into 5 parts. I have measured 1 part, which is about half to 3/4 of a cup, and I am going to measure equal amount of salt to add to this. Now add this salt to all the lemon pieces. Let us first transfer all these lemon pieces to another bowl where we can nicely mix everything. Now add the salt. And now I am going to toss this around so that the salt gets applied to all the lemon pieces. And now I am going to transfer this to another jar where I am going to store my pickle. Just mix a little once again. Now allow them to get marinated like this for 5 complete days. Like if you are doing on a Monday morning, then the next step will be on Saturday morning. These lemon pieces have now been marinated for 5 days. Now we will prepare the sugar solution. To this sugar, add about 1.5 cups of water. Turn on the gas. Stir it initially till all the sugar dissolves and then allow it to boil. Continue to boil for another 5 minutes on medium flame. And then test it by taking a small drop of it on a plate. And as you can see that this drop is staying in one place and is not spreading or flowing away. And when you touch it with your finger, you can see that this is no longer thin and watery, but instead it has become really thick and sticky. So now reduce the heat to low and add all the marinated lemon pieces. Mix everything nicely and then add the red chili powder. Mix it well and you can increase the flame a little bit now and bring it to boil one more time. When it starts boiling, turn off the gas and our pickle is now ready. Allow it to cool completely and then store it in a glass or plastic jar. It can stay good at room temperature for more than 1 year. After a few days, when the lemon pieces have become nicely soaked in the sugar solution, our pickle will look like this. Do try making this yummy lemon pickle at home and enjoy with many of the vrat or fast recipes. For more interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for detailed written instructions, you can visit my website at uma.kitchen.